I just got a brand new car and now it's time to pimp my ride. Y'all know that show. Remember that show, Pimp My Ride? That's beside the point. That's beside the point. I crocheted a bunch of adorable car decor, and I bought a bunch of things from Amazon and Temu, and I'm just so excited to, you know, put it in my car finally. What's up, vibes babes? It's your girl Hibba and I am back with another video. Yes, honey, yes. And so I want y'all to guess what y'all think the color of the car decor is. Comment down below what you think the color of the car decor is. I'll wait. Yes, it's pink. Y'all know I'm rocking the pink. Rocking the pink. So I wanted to first start this video off by showing you guys my car decor that I made, like my actual handmade crochet car decor, right? And then I'll go into I guess showing y'all what I bought from Amazon and Temu. It's a lot of stuff, so I might like show y'all the Amazon and Temu stuff while I'm like putting it in the car, because literally a lot of stuff. But before we even get started, go subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post all of my videos. The first thing I want to show y'all is this cute diamond studded steering wheel cover. It's so cute. I hope it's not too big because it's kind of wide. But what I did was I crocheted it and then I folded it up, stitched it right here, and put some elastic in it so it could give it that stretchy, you know, stretchy look and feel into it. But before I tell you everything, just let y'all know, everything that I'm showing y'all that I made in crochet and even the Amazon stuff is going to be in the description, okay? So if you want to make this, if you want to learn how to make this and everything else that I show you, the link to like the patterns are going to be in the description. So that's a sidebar. The next item that I made to match the steering wheel cover are these cute dingly mirror decor. It has little studs on it too. They're strawberries, obviously. Cute, right? And this was super easy to make. The next thing I have is this, oh, where's his eye? I lost his eye. But this little plushie, this octopus plushie that I have for the dashboard. I lost the eye, obviously. I don't know what happened to his eye. Poor thing. Poor guy. But I have little, what do you call those things? Velcro. So I can put it onto the dashboard and it can stick on the dashboard and stay, because I don't want it to put it on there and it's just like fall off every time I turn or make a you know, stop, hit my brakes or something like that hard. I don't want it to fall off, so I put this on there and hopefully it works. But I definitely have to get him another eye. I'll get him another eye before I put him in here, because that's crazy. The next thing I have are these seatbelt covers. I have two seatbelt covers for the front seat. And it has the Velcro things as well, where you could just close it up and open it back up like that. Easy to put on, easy to take off. The next thing I have is these cute head pillows. So originally I was going to make it like one heart. So I was just going to have just this on there, but the heart was too small. So I'm like, okay, I'll just make 4 to make it like an actual, you know, pillow. So it's just the headrest pillow for your, you know, for your car. And behind, in the back, I put some elastic. I sewed elastic on the back so I can, like, you know, slide it onto the head, the chair head easily. And yeah, so cute, right? Adorable. So obviously I made 2, one for each, you know. This could be a cute thumbnail. Alright guys, and so I also am making car decor for my son as well, because obviously it's his heart too. I take him, you know, to school, to his extracurricular activities, so I always tell him that it's his car as well. And so the front seat is going to be like my car decor, and then the back seat is going to be his, okay? So I made him this, so his theme is going to be Sonic and blue, like a blue Sonic theme. and I made him this adorable car cover, car seat covers, like for the headrest. And how cute are they? How cute are they? He's gonna be so hyped. Like, I love them. And it only took me like an hour and a half to make each. Literally, it took me no time at all to make it. I wanted to show y'all this too. I didn't crochet this, but I definitely got it from Temu. And since, you know, I am a crocheter, I wanted to show y'all. I got these ducks from Temu, and they came with like crochet hats, like super cute. Look it. The hats is like this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then, you know, put it on a ducky. And I'll probably put the blue one in the back with him in the, what's it called? The windowsill thingy. The hat's not going on to the ducky, but we'll figure it out. Let's go outside and decorate the car. These are the things that I got my dad. How cute is that? Ah, he's gonna love it! And then this one, of course. Oh! He's gonna love this. Yeah, I think this don't look right.
What, the middle?
Yeah, this part. Yeah, we'll just zip that up and zip this up too. Righteous, righteous, righteous.
Pussy fall here.
Alright, that's so cute. That could also be a hat too, y'all, to be honest. I'm gonna put this on there. I should have made something blue right here, right?
For the sleeves?
Huh?
For the arm?
No, for this, like. Oh. I gotta take that off first, and then I'm gonna put this on the seat cover. It's so cute, right?
Very demure, very classy.
Very classic. Oh, classic or classy? Classy. Whatever you want.
It's giving sports car. It's giving I got pink heels on every day. It's giving I'm a Barbie. It's giving this is my car, not yours. It's giving I'm that bitch, not that nigga. It's giving I'm a girl, not a boy.
You got issues, bro. What is wrong with you?
It's giving the whole detail.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, I knew he was gonna do that.
Who's beeping at? I know you're not beeping at me, ho.
Oh, it's cute.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Alright, this is the steering wheel cover. Hopefully it's not too big. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. Even though it's a little bit big. I'll manage. I'll definitely manage. Head seat. Gesture pillows. Very cutesy. Uh-huh.
Girl, them skill arty. Thunderball. Some me give it to, some me give it to, some me give it to our girls. 5 million and 40 naughty shorty. Baby girl, all my girls, all my girls. Thunderball say, well, I'm on the way the time. All I wanna be keeping you warm. I got the right temperature to shelter you from the storm. Hold on, girl, I got the right tactics to turn you on. And girl, I wanna be the papa, you can be the mom.
That the trash cans go on the door. How cool is that? And I'm gonna put one on my door as well. But check out the results so far, y'all. Is y'all liking it? Because I'm loving it. Okay, okay, check her out, check her out, check her out, check her out, check her out. And I think I might have, because I still want these, because I had these on, like, you know, on the on this part of the head seat, the headboard, whatever the fuck it's called, whatever it's called. And I want to still use these. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them though. I don't know, y'all. Maybe I'll just like sit it on the dashboard like that. Maybe we'll see. I'm gonna show y'all the final results when I'm done. I'll just show y'all, because I want to finish it because it's cold out here. But this is what it's looking like so far. My little man, his little back seat. But yeah. That pretty much completes the video. I hope y'all enjoyed watching, you know, me put my car decor inside my brand new car. All of the crochet items that I showed you guys that were in the car, they all have a pattern to it, and they are all in the description. So if you like any of those items, definitely go in the description and click the link so you can get the pattern, and go subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified when I post all of my videos. And if you like this video, you'll definitely like this video where I go to a fiber event and show you guys what I did at the fiber event. It was so much fun, so go check it out. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I would like to get to know